Vegan Bottlegourd Raita. To make the raita, I peel and grate a big piece of bottlegourd. Into the bowl. With grated garlic, and lots of homemade coconut yogurt. Some drizzle of lime. A pinch of Himalayan sea salt and black pepper. Mixing all together. From the garden I'm harvesting fresh herbs. Today I'm using Karpooravalli leaves, but you can use any fresh herbs of your choice. This vegan raita is one of many ways I make use of my homemade coconut yogurt.